Now that you're in geometry, we're going to use three words that you probably didn't use in algebra. They are postulate, axiom, and conjecture. And they get confusing when do you use one and not the other. Well, a postulate or an axiom is an accepted statement of fact. There is nothing that you can prove wrong about it. A conjecture is a conclusion derived from inductive reasoning. Well, inductive reasoning, if I draw a line under that, is the process of observing patterns and making generalizations. So not everyone's going to be true. Well, what's an example of a postulate or an axiom? If we look over here, a postulate or an axiom could say, through any 2 points, there exists only one line. Well, if I think about 2 points somewhere, there's only one possible line that will go through both of those points. So there's an accepted statement of fact here that I cannot prove incorrect. What about a conjecture? Remember, conjecture, we said, was a conclusion derived from inductive reasoning. Let's say one day you're bored during class and you realize that 1 squared was equal to 1, so the original number is equal to the square number. 2 squared is equal to 4. 3 squared is equal to 9. So you make the conjecture that the square of any number is larger or equal to the original number. Well, that would be a conjecture because you're noticing this pattern and you're making a statement based on that. Well, I'm going to say, what about 1/2? If you squared 1/2, you're going to get 1/4. And 1/4 is not larger than 1/2. So a conjecture is not always true and is based on inductive reasoning. A postulate or an axiom is an accepted statement of fact where you will not be able to find any counterexample.